birds. What the?
Yeah. It's really a lot.
I think the mommy bird just lay all the eggs, and now we have a lot of babies.
The rest are there. Look, they do look like
They're flying off. Why? See, Queen, you scare my baby birds. You're my favorite. Yeah.
Oh, look, they're going everywhere.
Well, that mommy bird's looking for all her babies. And the daddy one. Hope it's the grandma one and the grandpa. I hope they're gonna come from that tree. Like the mommy and daddy.
The rest are still here. They seem like they're not flying everywhere.
Oh, there's the grandpa. I mean, grandma.
Yeah.